everybody.
Welcome to How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
The Hungry Loon.
Yes.
And folks, we're so excited today because we are going to do a spectacular sandwich.
Yes.
We are going to do one of the iconic Vietnamese sandwich. It's got French influence, Asian influence. It's a Banh Mi.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's make a Banh Mi, shall we? Have you ever had a Banh Mi? You're going to love it. You're going to want to make it.
Banh Mi.
Banh Mi. That is on me. This Banh Mi. So a Banh Mi is just layers and layers and layers of this
Wonderful
incredible flavor. So we're
Yes.
going to walk you through all of these layers.
Yeah, let's
We're going
start.
to start off with what I call my pickled slaw. So it's a combination of carrots, and so I got a nice large peeled carrot. I got my mandolin, and I shredded that, and I julienned actually it, and I made like little mat sticks.
Yes.
You can use that on your mandolin, or you can just use a nice sharp knife. Then I got a Daikon Radish from my local Asian market. They're easy to find at your Asian markets.
They're big.
Big. I cut off the ends. They're in the radish family. And then I just did the same thing where I julienne them. And it's about a half a cup of the julienne Daikon radish and about a half a cup of the carrots. Then what I did was I got a small pot, and then I put some water in it, some sugar, and some white vinegar, and a pinch of salt, and then I brought that to a boil. And as soon as that came to a boil, I put my radishes and my my Daikon radish and my carrot into the pan, and then I removed that from the heat and let it sit for anywhere up from 30 minutes to a couple hours. And it just pickles those vegetables.
Yeah, and they're so good.
Just so flavorful.
These things are delicious.
They're gonna build just the beginning of the incredible flavor profile.
So what's next? What's next?
So now let me tell you about this amazing bowl of deliciousness. This is what I call my seasoned pork. Now we use two kinds of pork in this. This is the first kind. Okay, so what I did was I got a nice large skillet and I heated up a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then I added to that about a half a small onion, and it was finely chopped, and then I kind of let that saute down until it got nice and soft. And then I added a pound of ground pork. And I continued to cook that until it became no longer pink and it was really nice and fully cooked. Then I added 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, a couple teaspoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Asian sesame oil, and then some sriracha sauce. I added a little onion powder and garlic powder, and then I got my Chinese 5-spice powder that I got from my local market, and I tossed that in with a little ground pepper, and then just let that all season together until it became fully cooked and just really, really aromatic. And it is the most flavorful seasoned pork you could ever possibly have.
With what you just said, I'm dying to taste that.
I
haven't had it for a while.
It's been a while. I haven't made this in a while, so it's so good. Then, I think what the star of this dish, so Banh Mi has got a lot of influences. Vietnamese cooking, there's major French influence in Vietnamese cooking, and then of course there's Asian. This is sort of a bringing together of the two different types of cuisines.
That's great.
So, but this, excuse me, what we're getting ready to make is truly, truly Vietnamese. This is what's called Cha Lua.
Yes.
It's a Vietnamese pork roll, and there's a very special way of making it. So we're going to show you exactly how to make the perfect Cha Lua.
So we start with baking powder. I love using Alsa. It's a French baking powder used in Vietnamese cooking. Add this to 2/3 a cup of warm water and add some flour. You'll immediately see it begin to activate. Then take a small whisk and stir until fully incorporated. You'll want to immediately add this to ground pork in a large food processor. To that, I've already added fish sauce, salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powders, and sugar. You're going to want to pulse until fully ground. You may need to do this in 2 batches. The meat will become very soft in texture. You'll want to transfer this now to a large glass bowl. I like using a wooden spoon to help me. Cover with plastic wrap as best you can, and then add to the refrigerator for overnight. Now, if you can find them, get some banana leaves. They're easy to find online nowadays. Take half of the meat and form a loaf in the middle of one large leaf. You're going to want to then fold one side over, and then fold the other side over. Fold the ends in. Now you don't have to be real precise here, because we're going to do this a couple of times to ensure that the meat is fully covered. Fold it over, And now, grab yourself another banana leaf and do it one more time. Simply roll it, fold the ends under, and we're getting close to cooking time, folks. Now you're going to want to get some kitchen twine and tie up the loaf. Start with lengthwise and then about 3 more times going widthwise. Tie it nice and tight, but not too tight. Then for just one final good measure, get some plastic wrap and roll it until it's nicely secured and fully encased. Now we're going to steam the loaf. I like using a wok with my bamboo steamer, but use any method you use for steaming your food. You're going to want to steam the Cha Lua for 55 to 65 minutes. Carefully remove from the heat, and you've got a fully cooked Cha Lua. Take the plastic wrap off, and then, using kitchen shears, remove the twine. Again, be careful. You of course can let the Cha Lua completely cool by this point. I get excited though, just to see the finished product. Now this may not be the most beautiful looking piece of cooked meat you've ever seen, but trust me, once you slice into it and you take that first bite, you're going to be immediately sold. Cha Lua.
Isn't that the best looking pork roll you've ever seen? I mean, it's so flavorful. And,
I don't see many pork rolls.
well, the ones I've seen, that's about the best looking one. I've seen some that aren't so great. Anyway,
let's get to assembling.
But let me tell you just real quickly in
right.
that, because you saw that I used the banana leaves. When I first started making this years ago, I couldn't ever find banana leaves. That's the traditional way to do it.
Right.
So you can use plastic wrap, and don't worry, plastic wrap, if you use quality brand, we use a nice cling wrap, saran wrap. Those are all approved. They don't have toxins, so when they steam, they don't release any dangerous toxins
into your meat.
So that's really important. And they work beautifully. They really do. I did tons of research on that, so
yes,
you can trust me on that. But nowadays, you can get banana leaves. I order them online, and I get them literally the next day. They pull them from the banana tree, and they're here. It's incredible. So, anyway, let's build the sandwich, shall we?
Yes.
It's so incredible. So I have
Talk
a
so
lovely.
much.
Well, I know it's time to eat. So I've got a lovely French loaf right here. I kind of got a nice soft loaf, and then I cut the ends off, and then I opened it up, and then I put it under the broiler for just a few minutes, and got it nice and toasty. Keep an eye on it. You don't want to burn it. But anyway. Now, all of these ingredients, they're really great if they're at room temperature. This has still got a little bit of warmth to it. This can be heated. You can even pan fry these, your Cha Lua in the skillet if you want some, you want the temperature to be warm.
Like a Spam sandwich.
Well, it's better than that. But anyway, but it's really good when it's at room temperature as well. So let's start building this. So we're going to start off with some kind of cooler ingredients.
Yes,
and by cool, I mean...
cilantro.
They're cool, but they're also like not real hot.
Fresh.
So this is some fresh.
Give you some crisp.
Some fresh cilantro, and then I got some. This is just like an English cucumber that I slice very thinly. I actually use my mandolin to do this.
No,
but
it's
this
not
is,
a German or Spanish.
No, it's English.
It's English.
And it's the nice size ones. It's really, really good. So it's really we're gonna add a little more heat as we go to this. So this kind of helps offset.
Keep on
that.
going.
So now here's that incredible slaw that we talked about.
Yes. A little relish.
You can drain it if you want to. So, but I like it. Just leave it in that pickling
Yeah,
juice.
it actually tastes. That pickling juice adds a little layer of flavor.
A flavor layer. So anyway, so this is really good. Now, as you can see, this is really beautiful too.
Yay.
I love it. So now let's continue to build that. That slaw sort of acts as like a little nest for my seasoned pork that we talked about. Talk about
Just get it in there. Just throw it on and make
building tons and tons of flavor. And it's okay if it's a little messy. It's a sandwich. I
can't wait
get
to
this from a
taste
food
that.
truck. Let's get some of this incredible Cha Lua.
Cha Lua.
Let's
Cha Lua.
cheer for Cha Lua.
Let's go to a Cha Lua.
Oh, well, that would really be fusing cuisines.
Hey.
Okay, so now we've got some wonderful salami. I mean, you didn't see this coming,
Yes.
right? But it's wonderful.
You can use sopressata or any
could.
type of salami.
There is
or
a-
any
there-
type of cured meat.
Yeah, there are Asian salamis that are really, really good to do. They're kind of hard to find here in the States. So I just love using a good old salami.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have built the main layers of this. So now we're going to add a little heat here.
Heat. Let's add the heat. Bring
All
on
of
the
this
heat.
is optional if you don't like it, but Vietnamese food, a lot of it, there's a little bit of sweet, there's
and
a little
that's
bit of
not
heat.
super. That's just
No, this is
peppers.
pickled peppers. You
Yeah.
can use sliced peppers, like that you get on your nachos at the ball
Yes.
game or whatever. But I think this is just wonderful. It's absolutely great. Now we've got some soy sauce. I'm just going to drill a little soy sauce over the top,
Little soy.
and then I've got some Asian chili oil. This is a little, just another little flavor. This has got a little
That's
heat to
okay.
it, but it's not
Just
too
enough
much.
to make it feel all warm and cozy.
Absolutely wonderful, isn't it?
Is that it?
Is that it?
Oh, watch out now.
Oh, shoot.
There we go.
Okay, now.
Oh, you saved it.
know.
Woo, that was a close one.
I know, you got to work with it. You got to be treat it with some love. All right, now I'm going to, just so it's easier to eat, I'm going to cut this right now.
Oh, you know what? It actually sits up quite nicely.
It really does. And look at that. Talk about a sandwich of flavor.
Okay.
Is that not incredible?
Yeah, I'm going to eat
I
the
know.
sandwich
I can't.
of flavor.
I'm.
Sandwich of flavor. Yay! I'm so excited.
I love this sandwich. It's.
Did you hear the crunch?
I did. I can smell everything. I mean. Okay, talk to me, Loon. What?
It's so good. That little mixture.
I know.
Is so and Cha
The
Lua.
Cha Lua.
People.
He eats these just. When I
Yeah.
first made this for him, he was like, I don't
I'm
know,
not gonna eat
and
that.
he loves it.
This sandwich is so good. The
Coolness of the
coolness of
cucumber.
the English cucumber, and then the salami. Oh,
The slaw, it all comes together.
and then you got some heat. You got some heat from the chili oil. Oh, I love this. Now this is 100% Loon approved.
I thought it was going to be Loon approved, but I wasn't 100%
Yeah,
sure
of
because.
course it is.
But I haven't made this in a while, and I got to take a
It's
bite.
always been the first time I ever tasted it. I was like, this
know.
is Loon approved.
This is good food truck. Have you ever gotten this from a
Yes.
food truck? It's so good.
Yeah, so good.
I love it. It's so good.
Woo! Now you can get this recipe and many more sandwich recipes too on howtofeedaloon.com.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
Yes.
So, please do us a favor. Go to our social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all of that stuff.
Yes.
Give us a like, give us a share.
Share.
We love it. We really appreciate it, and you won't ever miss a thing. And like this Banh Mi.
No, Banh Mi.
No, Banh Mi.
Oh, no, Banh Mi.
No, please.
Banh you.
It's on you to make Banh Mi.
Yes.
We need to stop and just eat.
Bye, everybody. Hey, everybody. Hey, y'all. If you like what you just watched, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's right. If you want to see more recipes like this, click right here.
Subscribe to our YouTube or watch.